here with my mom for 4 days and 3 nights. We're going to shop, eat, have massages. The last time I was here, I was 6 or 7 and I don't remember anything. So let's go. We are staying at Moxie Hotel. Great location. We are now in Platinum Fashion Mall. It's actually called Platinum Fashion Mall. It's just rows and rows and floors of many different shops like women's clothes, men's clothes, baby clothes, jewelry, bags, undergarments. But we'll see how fashion this fashion mall is. We are back at the hotel and lots of damage has been done. I got a little phone strap and a little cute Hershey's pouch to put my camera in and many other things. Lots and lots of clothes. And we just booked a massage, so we're gonna go do that.
That was really good. I want to sleep, but I need to get changed. I was like, no, please don't end. Please never end. Probably one of the best massages I've ever had.
Man, I look like a mess. Anyway, we're done with the massage and we are here at Big C, which I think is just a huge supermarket. And we're just gonna find some fruits and try not to be distracted by the snacks. I'm a bit overwhelmed. This is the biggest bunch of enoki I've ever seen. Half a kilogram of just enoki. Oh, I love it. And I think it's only 25 baht, which is like $1. That's crazy. Good morning, it's the next day and we're going to Chatuchak Weekend Market, which only opens on the weekends, aka Friday to Sunday. We are taking a tuk-tuk there. fried rice with a side of pork and beans, some egg. just had, well, we shared lunch? No, brunch.
Nice.
But yeah, we shared one plate of fried rice. It was really good. And now we're in another cafe just next door and we're gonna share a cake. This is a mocha macadamia cake. And then I got iced latte cube, which looks like, oh, there's cubes of milk. Okay, what did you get? Cappuccino, and they gave a side of brown sugar.
Orange cappuccino.
I thought this was marshmallow, but it's milk cubes. And coffee cubes. That's really cool. That's nice. We're sitting upstairs. The stairs are a little bit precarious, but we're upstairs. We are single-handedly selling out the store. This is like a scent that you can hang on in your closet or in your room. It's only 100 baht. This is how many we're buying. We're buying 18 of these scents. 3 roll-ons and 3 car scents. This is where you want to go. But there's many of these stores around, and like in malls and stuff. Man, I look so rough, but I'm so sweaty. Got coconut. Oh, so refreshing. It's so hot, if you can tell. Wow, look at the lighting. I feel like I got tanner already. We're back in the hotel now to drop off stuff we bought. And I'm gonna change my bag because I was carrying my backpack, my usual backpack, but the straps got really sweaty. But I bought this bag. Saving every bit of plastic we get. Leave no bag behind. This is very Asian, but also a good practice. Here's a little hack, maybe not a hack, but because I'm not familiar with the denominations of notes and the colors, I've folded it in a way that the 100 is bundled together and the number is up here. So if I need 100, I just grab from this stack. If I need 500, it's here. If I need 1,000, it's here. So I don't have to like fumble with it when I'm outdoors. So this is a little hack. I've heard a lot of good things about this brand. I don't know how you say it, but they sell tea and I guess soft serve. So I got the Thai tea to try, and if it's good, I could get the tea leaves, tea bags. But I see a lot of people drinking it, and I think it's supposed to be good. My biggest fear is that this would be too sweet, because if you know Thai tea, it is very sweet, but I managed to choose 30% sweetness. The next level down would be no sweetness, which I don't want, but anyway, let's try it. It's nice. It's 30% sweetness, but I still feel like it is quite sweet. Like I wouldn't think this is 30%. This feels like full sweetness, so I can't imagine what full sweetness would be like. I feel like I've reached my sugar intake for the year, but I think the tea is good, so you could buy the tea leaves. Plan B, what? This is huge. I'm on wide angle. I guess Central World has like brands that you would know. Pico, Anello, Skechers, Levi's, Fila. This is so interesting. Look, I flipped to the bottom and it looks like earring studs, but it's because you can customize and get a strap, which I think is a very smart idea. You can even have a ribbon. This is too cute. It's a great idea. I just tried one on, but because this is like one size, the strap is too loose for me, so the shoe was like flapping a lot. So if they had like more holes, or I don't know, if there's a way to like tighten this, then it would be great. I'm currently in 2nd Street, and it's a great place if you want to get like second-hand branded goods. Like this is Marc Jacobs. but some stuff there'll be like stains on them. I found this pair of shorts that probably fits me, but it is Alexander Wang and it's like 5,000 baht, which is like 200 Sing. But this is a place you want to go to if you want branded stuff, but secondhand. I guess it's not just branded stuff. You also have H&M here, 400 baht. I think this second street originated from Japan and now it's here in Bangkok. There is cannabis infused beef, cannabis infused omelette. Hello. We have the fried soft shell crab with garlic, lots of garlic, and we have grilled pork fried rice, and we have a fried snapper vegetable wrap. This dish is so good. You just wrap all this stuff and there's lots of flavors in your mouth happening at the same time. It's really good. Fries, a salmon and spinach salad, and chicken and waffles. These two don't have anything like miffy about it other than this plate. You have to do a security check coming into the mall, I think, because there was one mall not too far away where there was a random shooting.
Siam Paragon 2024?
Last year,
Yeah, Siam Paragon.
a 14-year-old kid did a random shooting in Siam Paragon, which is not this mall, but it's near enough, I guess, for them to beef up security. So we had to queue a little bit to get into security, but anyway, now we're in. Love this brand of seasoning mixed chicken and you can only get it in Thailand, so we are stocking up last night things equals going to the supermarket getting a bunch of things. We spent 2,500 baht and got this huge bag for free. So many things. My shoulder is breaking. My feet are aching so bad. I booked a foot massage for tomorrow. Anyway, this half of my luggage is everything new. Well, except these socks, but everything new that I bought. I came
here with like this one partly filled and this one empty, and now it's filled with things that I've bought and I haven't finished packing. But this is the result of 3 days in Bangkok. I'm getting a foot massage, one for the road. I literally cut my toenails for this because I don't want her to get scratched by me.
Decided to get our hair washed because, well, my thinking behind that is because once we land and get back home, it's like close to midnight, and I do not want to be washing my hair and drying my hair and then sleeping really late. So we just got it washed, and wow, looks great. And all I'm doing is getting on a plane. I'm gonna see if I can buy more tea as gifts, and then we're gonna head to the airport.